Las Vegas offers a unique blend of entertainment, dining, shopping, and outdoor adventures. Here's a 7-day itinerary to help you make the most of your time in the entertainment capital of the world. Day 1. The Strip highlights. 1. Morning. Start your trip with a walk along the Las Vegas Strip. 1. Visit iconic resorts like the Bellagio to see the famous fountains and Caesar's Palace. 2. Afternoon. Explore the Venetian and take a gondola ride or visit the Mirage to see the volcano eruption show. 3. Evening. Have dinner at one of the many world-class restaurants on the Strip. 3. Consider seeing a show, such as a Cirque du Soleil performance or a concert. Day 2. Fremont Street Experience and Old Vegas. 1. Morning. Head to Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. 1. Check out the Neon Museum to see classic Vegas signs. 2. Afternoon. Explore the Mob Museum for a fascinating look at organized crime history. 2. Walk around Fremont Street Experience, which features a vibrant light show and street performers. 3. Evening. Enjoy the nightlife in the Fremont area, with options ranging from live music to vintage casinos. Day 3. Day trip to the Grand Canyon. 1. Full day. Take a day trip to the Grand Canyon. 1. You can choose between a guided tour, a helicopter ride, or a bus tour. 1. Many tours include stops at scenic viewpoints and offer lunch options. Day 4. Relaxation and shopping. 1. Morning. Visit a luxury spa at one of the major resorts for a relaxing morning. 1. Consider the Canyon Ranch Spa at the Venetian or Qua Baths and Spa at Caesar's Palace. 2. Afternoon. Spend time shopping at the Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace or the Shops at Crystals, which feature high-end brands. 3. Evening. Dine at a celebrity chef restaurant and explore the nightlife at a trendy club or bar. Day 5. Adventure and nature. 1. Morning. Head out to Red Rock Canyon for a scenic drive or hike. 1. The natural beauty and red rock formations are a great contrast to the city. 2. Afternoon. Visit Las Vegas Springs Preserve for a look at the city's history and environmental conservation efforts. 3. Evening. Return to the Strip and explore new resorts or take a ride on the High Roller, the giant Ferris wheel with views of the city. Day 6. Entertainment and culture. 1. Morning. Visit the Las Vegas Natural History Museum or the Neon Museum if you haven't already. 1. Alternatively, take a tour of the Las Vegas Art District. 2. Afternoon. Attend a live performance, such as a magic show or a comedy act. 2. Shows like David Copperfield or Penn and Teller are popular options. 3. Evening. Have dinner at a themed restaurant or buffet, such as the Buffet at Wynn or the Bellagio Buffet. Day 7. Explore nearby attractions. 1. Morning. Visit Hoover Dam, a marvel of engineering located about 30 minutes from Las Vegas. 1. Take a guided tour to learn about its history and construction. 2. Afternoon. Explore Lake Mead or take a boat tour to enjoy the scenic beauty and outdoor activities. 3. Evening. Return to Las Vegas for a final night out. 3. Enjoy a last show, dinner, or explore any areas you may have missed. Additional tips. 1. Transportation. Use the Las Vegas monorail or rideshare services for easy travel along the Strip. 1. Consider renting a car for day trips and excursions. 2. Weather. Be prepared for hot temperatures, especially in summer. 2. Stay hydrated and use sunscreen. 3. Reservations. Book shows, dining, and tours in advance to secure your spots and avoid long waits. This itinerary combines the glitz and glamour of the Strip with relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences, giving you a well-rounded view of Las Vegas. Enjoy your trip. Please subscribe and like the channel for more traveling tips and fun.